Uncle Mark here. Welcome to the channel. Just going to take out and clean, which this one sure needs it, cabin air filter on my Grand Caravan. Actually, it's the wife's Grand Caravan. Show you where it is, how to get it out, maybe how you can kind of clean it up in case you don't want to replace it. You don't always have to replace them. We'll show you how. It's possible that maybe you don't have the airflow you usually have, and that could be the air cabin filter is plugged. Could also be some other things. Maybe there's something rubbing in there. This one, as you can hear, it's got some issues with the fan itself. Put a link in the description right at the top right-hand corner there. See the flashing yellow arrow? It'll bring you to another video that shows me replacing actually that fan. But you came here for the cabin air filter, so that's what we're going to do. It's actually in your glove box. So if you open the box and take out whatever kind of stuff's in there, you'll see there's a couple little tabs on the side here. So what you need to do is just push that, and you'll see the little tab in behind there, that round rubber thing. That's what's holding it from falling out. But don't pull the whole thing all the way out because there's a little string holding on. You'll see that's what this little black dot is, or piece here with the string on it. And that helps, you know, when you open it, if you just open it and let it go, it slowly comes out. It's like a damper. That's what the string's hooked up to. So what you want to do is pull that plastic piece towards you without moving the glove box. I'm going to do it with one hand. Lots of fun there. But if you have two hands, hold the glove box with one, and then grab that little black piece and just push it towards you. Or pull it towards you, I guess is what you're wanting to do. And you'll see from this side what it's actually doing. There's actually a hole in there. So a bigger circle, you're pulling it towards the hole so that it can pop out, and just slowly let it retract, just so you don't break it, and then the glove box door should just flop down. You can let it gently go down there. Now this rectangle box here is where actually the cabin air filter is. Those tabs on the end, I believe you grab it and push it inside, towards the inside here. We'll try and do this with one hand. Okay, let's do it with two hands. You grab them and push them in together. So push them this way, both of them, and it should unlock, just pull towards you. And there we go. Well, look at all the leaves in there too. Who knows how stuff gets in there. But there's air coming from the outside, so maybe you've got leaves in that. You want to be kind of careful that they don't fall into where the fan is there. But look at that. You can just gently tap it out is what I'm going to try and do. There is an arrow in there showing you which way the airflow is. Let's see if we can get the rest of the leaves out of here. If you're gentle, you stick your hand in there, you can actually feel the fan, and hopefully nothing's fallen in there. I guess if something did, you could try and vacuum it out. Maybe if you can get a little vacuum hose in there. This I'm just going to gently, very gently tap on this concrete. Maybe it'd be better if you were doing that on a cardboard box. See all the stuff that's coming out? This is blocking the airflow. Now, this one isn't too bad. It's supposed to be that kind of a light gray color. It's more of a darker gray because it's got dirt in it, but I'm going to let it go one more time. Save myself a few bucks. And I'm not really allergic to anything, so if there's any allergens in there, it's not going to bother me, but just tapping it the reverse way of the airflow. So the arrow points down. So I'm flipping it around so the arrow points up, and I'm tapping the other side on the ground with the arrow pointing up. So it goes back in, arrow pointing down again because the airflow is coming from outside. It's going down towards your feet kind of thing. And it just goes in there. Now it's not a square, it's more a rectangle, so it's only going to fit in one way. As long as you put it the right way up. Sit it in there, then take this little door again. You'll see it's got these little ridges that go on either side of the filter. So you want to gently try and put it in there. Two hands will be a lot easier. Here I'm trying to hold lighting and cameras and that. Once you can get it to sit properly, it should just click into place. And there we go. Now we just have to reverse the process we did getting this glove box door apart. There's that little string again. You're just going to gently want to pull it, and it's going to want to snap back, so hold it. And you'll want the side with the hole in your hand sticking out, and you're just going to want to pull it just a little further. Just the hole's to the front, you see that? And it's bigger there. Once you get it inside, you should just be able to let it click back into its locked position. From the hole there, just click back into there, and you're done. And then now we have to put those little tabs on either side. You're gonna have to just push those little tabs, wings, whatever you want to call them, back in place there. You see they have those little rubber stoppers too, so it doesn't bang when it closes. There you go, easy enough. I knew you could do it. If you want more videos on this van, I'm gonna make sure actually this thing closes and opens properly too, so it's not binding. So I'm gonna close it, open it, see if it slowly opens, and then close it up and put your stuff back in there. More videos, top right-hand corner on the Grand Caravan if you want to learn more and do some more projects. Sorry you're wrong, but you are wrong. That's not what you think it is. Take a look at the side of this thing. Well, those doors are a little different. Do you know what it is? Year, make, and model, not what it kind of looks like it's supposed to be. Obviously, this is a conversion, but really cool. I saw this in Brandon, Manitoba in April of 2024. Super cool. Just talked to the guy for a moment. He says it runs great, and he loves it. Let me know what you think it is. He says a buddy built it about 20 years ago. It's been running great. What is it actually? I know what it kind of looks like at the start. Check out my repair channel, Uncle Mark's DIY Auto. Let's try that again. Is it still recording? What happened to the light?